Did you know that if you lower your voice by 5%, you'll sound instantly sexier? It's true, and it's backed by science. Studies show that a slightly lower vocal pitch makes both men and women sound more attractive. In fact, just a 5% drop in pitch can signal confidence, dominance, and even trustworthiness, all traits we subconsciously find sexy. Researchers believe this is evolutionary. A lower voice often signals maturity, strength, or fertility, depending on the listener's perspective. So next time you're flirting, giving a presentation, or recording content, try dropping your pitch just a little. You might be surprised by how people respond. Subscribe for more content like this.